No entry.
No entry.
No entry.
No entry.
No smoking.
No smoking.
No smoking.
No smoking.
No parking.
No parking.
No parking.
No parking.
No U-turn.
No U-turn.
No U-turn.
No U-turn.
No horn.
No horn.
No horn.
No horn.
Danger.
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 Warning.
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 High voltage.
High voltage.
High voltage.
High voltage.
Slippery floor.
Slippery floor.
Slippery floor.
Slippery floor.
Wet floor.
Wet floor.
Wet floor.
Wet floor.
Do not touch.
Do not touch.
Do not touch.
Do not touch.
Do not enter.
Do not enter.
Do not enter.
Do not enter.
Do not use elevator.
Do not use elevator.
Do not use elevator.
Do not use elevator.
No food or drink.
No food or drink.
No food or drink.
No food or drink.
No photography.
No photography.
No photography.
No photography.
Restroom.
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 Male toilet.
Male toilet.
Male toilet.
Male toilet.
Female toilet.
Female toilet.
Female toilet.
Female toilet.
Exit.
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 Entrance.
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 Emergency exit.
Emergency exit.
Emergency exit.
Emergency exit.
Fire exit.
Fire exit.
Fire exit.
Fire exit.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
First aid.
First aid.
First aid.
First aid.
Assembly point.
Assembly point.
assembly point,
assembly point,
pedestrian crossing,
pedestrian crossing,
pedestrian crossing,
pedestrian crossing,
stop,
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 yield,
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 speed limit,
speed limit,
speed limit,
speed limit,
parking,
parking,
parking.
parking.
Well done! You have learned 30 safety signs and public signs in English. Watch again, repeat the words, and notice these signs around you every day. Understanding safety signs helps keep you safe and confident. See you in the next lesson.